Hi and welcome down the shed with me and Dylan. So today we're down the stable. So Dylan's in for a week. Dylan has an abscess, so it's his rear left hoof. As you can see, it's a bit taped up at the moment. So we'll get more of a zoom in on that, and then we'll take that dressing off and put a new one on. Dylan's quite happy. He's got a pile of hay, so let's crack on. Right, the first thing we're going to want to do is cut this stinky old bandage off. So you shouldn't really be behind the horse. You should really be this side of your horse. He could still kick me forwards, but I do trust my horse. You know it's all good, don't you, Dilly? So just cut your way into this carefully. Dilly wants to be a right today. Dylan's hoof. Come on, good boy. Go for it. Okay, so now we can just pull around on this. There we go. And there's lots of nasty in there. Oh, yeah, a bit smelly, Dilly. I'll put your foot down, he's a clot. So, as you can see, there's quite a bit of nasty in there. The black goo is what we're after. So we'll put this in a bin bag. Oh mate, that really honks. If you had smell-o-vision now, you'd be slightly upset. Right, because we had thrush in all 4 hooves, we need to spray them all with iodine. So this is a 10% solution from Scats or Mole Valley, whatever you want to call it. Dilly hoof. Good lad. So the hoof is nice and clean, having come out of the stable. So we'll just give that a spray with iodine like that. It's good, and I'm going to pause the video while I remember to boil the kettle. Right, so while the kettle's boiling, we'll just do the other 4 hooves with iodine. Dilly hoof. Good boy. So that one's cleaning up. Hoof, Dilly. Come on, this is the favourite one you give without asking. Good boy. There we go. Good lad. Dilly hoof. Come on, back one. He used to be a right sob with his back hooves. He's good as gold now. Good boy. Right, that's your hooves done anyway for your iodine. Right, I've got some boiling hot water in this scoop, so I'm just going to drop the poltice with the plastic side up into that and let it soak into that boiling hot water. We'll take it out and drain it off and let it cool down a bit in a minute to a suitable handleable temperature, because that's pretty much about 95 degrees, I guess, 95 degrees, it's still steaming. About we'll take some of the water out, just let that stew for a minute. So there we can see the poultice is in the green bucket. Actually, I can pretty much hold that. Still a bit watery. Squeeze some of the water out. Still a bit hot, so we'll just sit that in there for a wee bit longer. So we'll give that a few minutes. Now, as long as we've got our vet wrap ready, our nappy, disposable, size 6 I think this is, 1 off, or a whole packet of, but it's only £2.5 in Aldi, where I used to work. No advertising or sponsorship from Aldi. So nappy at the ready, and we shall go for you there. So let's just test this once more. I'm very happy to hold that in my hands. Dylan hoof. Good boy. So I'm going to put my knee in here just to hold his hoof a bit. Try and get these feathers out of the way. Sit this in over the hole, like so. Let's get that plastic back in place. There we go. So I put a nappy over. I'm going to try and centralise it a bit and go over the front of the hoof basically, I think is best. Put it around tight. And Dylan, you can put your foot down, mate. Yeah, gently, buddy. Good boy. Don't be an arse. We know you like being an arse. And that'll go around to there. That'll just be kind like that. So we'll start getting some of this round. Get ourselves a base. Now you've got a bit of iodine on your feathers, mate. Holding this side because it will slip at the moment. And we can get a grip on ourselves there like that. Should that both upside that nappy, mate. So now we can basically get Dilly hoof. Hoof. Good boy. It's quite warm your hoof, isn't it, mate? Try and get as much of that out of the way as possible. We can start getting. Oh, come on. It went alright this morning. There we go. You can just tap it down so it sticks to itself. You come around this way, like this. We can get this bit, like that. It comes back on ourselves. So we're just trying to trap the nappy, the heat of the poultice in. Stand Dylan. Good lad. Get that hair out of it. Good boy. And just try to get over that last bit of nappy there. And now this is where the gaffer tape comes in. This is like his shoe, if you like, or boot. Once more, Dilly. Come on, hoof. Hoof, Dylan. Oh, fight you have to, mate. We're just looking to trap everything and make it sealed really, and something to walk on. Good boy. Dylan. What I'm going to do is tear that there. Down, and we'll get a few more of those ready. Dilly. Hoof, mate. Hoof. Dilly. Good boy. Dylan. There we go. So he's just got a little booty on there now. Right, Dylan. Stand complete. Good boy, put your foot down, Dilly. Shift your weight. Good lad. We'll just get a bit around the front here. Still stinks, Dilly, I can smell it. The more you put on, the more you have to cut off. And that pretty much is Dylan's hoof poulticed. Good boy, Dilly. So all we've got to do now is clean out his stable and he's done for the day. And one nice clean bed with tall walls. Dylan, in your bed. No, don't be a clot. This way. Come on, walk on. Dylan, in your bed. In your bed. Good boy. He's a good lad.